Hi, hello there, welcome to my channel. Okay, in this video I'm going to explain about the lens and their image characteristics. So the type of the lens that we are going to learn in this video is concave lens, and also we have a convex lens. Okay, concave lens we have only one type of image. Okay, they have a one type of image. And concave lens we have 6 types of images. Okay, so we are going to proceed with the concave image first. Okay, this is the concave lens. Okay, now I'm going to place an object here. Okay, let's say the object is here. This is the object. Okay, this is object, or symbolically we will put it as a u as the distance of the objects. Okay, now we have to learn to draw the rays. So the first ray here will be going straight. Okay, it's going straight and it will hit exactly at the center of this line. Okay, after it hit here, it has to be going away. Okay, going away as though it is coming from the focus point. Okay, this is the first type. This is the first ray that you have to draw. Please remember this. Okay, now the second thing that you have to draw is, okay, so this the center of the lens, right? So I'm going to draw straight to the center of this lens. So when I draw this straight to the center, okay, straight to the center. Alright, now you can see there is an intersection point of between these two rays. This is ray 1 and this is ray 2. So this is the intersection point over here. So let me put it in a black color. Okay, so this is the intersection of these two rays and it shows the image. So this is the image that forms in a concave lens. So this image shows the characteristics of, I will highlight in a red color here. Alright, so always remember, in lens, the object, if the object and the image falls in the same side of the lens here, it will be virtual, right? And then let's say here this is the object, I put an arrow, and this one is the image over here. So it is not inverted, it is an upright, we call it. Alright, it's an upright, and the size is getting smaller, so which means it is diminished. So this is the image characteristics of a concave lens, and you only have one type of image. Alright, so doesn't matter where is the object falls, and your image characteristics will have the same drawing. Okay guys, so I hope you can understand the concave lens. So next we will proceed with convex lens. Okay, for this convex lens, in previous section of this video I got mentioned convex lens has 6 images, right? Okay, where does the 6 images come from? It is coming from a different position of the object. So the first position here, when you have an object before this focus point, okay, let's say this is the U, okay, so the U is lesser than a focus point, you have a different kind of image. The second position of object will fall exactly at F, exactly at this focus point. The third object will be falls in between F and 2F. So they'll fall exactly in this category. They are in between focus point and also the double focus point. Okay, at the fourth image here will form when the position of the object here falls exactly at the 2F. So U equals to 2F. And the fifth position of the object here falls far beyond than 2f. So I just put there is more than 2f. And the 6, this object here is coming from an infinity. It means it's very far, like moon, stars. Okay, so we are going to draw the images for all of these position objects in this coming section of this video. Okay, now for convex lens we are doing the first position of the object, where the object will be here. I'll draw it over here. This is the object position. Okay, so this is a convex lens. So maybe I just write it here down. This is convex lens, and also called as a focusing lens. So the first ray will be going straight. After it hit at the center of the lens here, it will be going straight to the F. Okay, going straight to the F, this focus point. Okay, this is the first ray that you have to draw. The second ray here will be going straight to the center of this lens. So you see that? Okay, this is the second. Okay, since there is no intersection between line 1 and line 2, we are expecting an image to form at this side. So where you can draw a dotted line. Okay, you can draw a dotted line. Okay, and then we can draw this line for this number 2. It is going straight. Okay, as you can see, there is an intersection at this point over here. Okay, so this is the image. So image falls at the same side of the object. So which means the image characteristic here will be virtual. And the size, the shape, here you can see it is they are not inverted, so it should be upright. And the size has been magnified. So this is the image characteristics, virtual, upright and magnified for this position. So the application here is, we can say, magnifying glass. Okay, for this lens, the suitable application here is the magnifying glass. So this is how you should draw the rays. Okay, now you are going to the second position of the object. Okay, now the object will be exactly at F. Okay, exactly at F. And I'm going to draw the first line, which is straight and hitting the F here. Okay, so there will be a second ray which will be going through this center. Okay, since there is no intersection over here, so we are expecting a line over here. So as you can see, these lines is not intercepting. Okay, it is not intercepting. So the image will be met at infinity. So what you can see here is the image characteristic here will be virtual. Why virtual is because the object and the image at the same side of the lens. Okay, same side. And it will be upright and highly magnified. So this is the image characteristic for the object position at focus point. Okay, this is the second. Okay, now we are going to do the third one. Okay, this is the third position of the object, where it will be placed between the focus point and this 2F over here. So we can actually place it anywhere in between. So let's say I place it over here. So we have to draw the same first line, straight line hitting here, and then it will be going toward the focus point. Okay, now the next one I'll be using a green color, and I will be, so this green color will be connected through the center. Let me try it again. Okay, make sure it is straight, and you can see it is crossing over here. Oh no. Okay, so okay, this is the object, and this is the image formation. You can see the cross over here at this part. Okay, so since the object and the image is separated at the both side of this lens, object is here and the image at the opposite side, then the image is called as a real characteristics. And to determine is whether it is upright or inverted, so let us draw here. Let's say we make an arrow at this part at the object, and we are going to draw the same arrow at the image, and you can see the image is upside down, right? So it is inverted, and yes, it is magnified. Okay, it is a bigger in the size. So this is the way how to draw when you have an object at your convex lens between the focus point and the 2f. Okay, so remember to draw the ray 1 and ray 2. Okay, next we are going to fourth position. Okay, this is the fourth object location, which is the object position equals to 2f. Okay, so it's exactly, let's say I just put exactly here. Okay, this is the object, so I'm going to draw the same line over here. So going straight, hitting exactly at the center, and then I'm going to draw toward the F a straight line. Okay, this is the first line, and I'm going to draw the second line which will pass through the center of this lens. Okay, so from here going straight and going toward the F. Okay, as you can see here, the image is forming exactly at the 2f. Okay, exactly at the 2f. So this lens, this concept is being used in the photocopy machine, where you have the real image characteristics, and it is inverted, and it is not magnified or diminished. It is in another category of this image characteristic, which we call it as the same size. Okay, so image for this position of the object is real, inverted, and also same size, and you are drawing the same ray, which is number 1, the first one, and the second one. Okay, so I hope you can understand this. Next we are going to object number 5. Okay, this is the object number 5, position number 5, which is the position of the object will be more than 2f. So we can place the object over here at this space more than 2f. Okay, we draw the same line, the first one, and then we'll be hitting exactly at the f here. Okay, going straight, and then we continue with this green color, and it will pass through the center of the lens and reaching here. Okay, as you can see here, this part. Okay, the object formation here will be at this part, which is slightly smaller compared to the object. So the image characteristics here will be given as real, inverted, and it is a smaller in size. So this is a diminished. Okay, so I hope you can understand for this 5th position. Okay, let us continue with the last one. Okay, this is the object location at the infinity, so which is very far, example like moon or star. So we cannot draw the same ray as we used to draw the position 1 to 5. Okay, so we have to change here. So we can draw the lines. So one will be coming straight, passing through the F. So once it hit here, it will be going toward the straight line. Okay, so this is the opposite of the first line. And then the another one, okay, the another line will be coming parallel to this first ray, will be coming parallel, and it will be passing through the center of this lens. Okay, and then it will be going straight and it will hit here. So this interception, if you notice, this interception will be exactly at the position of F. Okay, so we can conclude here these image characteristics for this. So the image, the object at another part of the lens, and an image will be another part. So this is the image over here that forms. So the characteristics will be, okay, so it is a real, it is a inverted, and diminished. So this is the image characteristics of this object position, which is at the infinity, and there is a small conclusion here, and this is the U as the object, position of the object, and V is the position of the image. So if the position of the object is at F, focus point, your image will be at infinity. If the object position is at infinity, the image will fall at F. Okay, this is a small update for this video. Okay, so that's all I'm going to share with you in this video regarding the lenses, convex and also the concave. I have shown you all the drawings, so I hope you can understand the drawing of these rays. Okay, so please like this video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. All the best for your exams.